Quorum Federal Credit Union RateWise Mastercard is built on a foundation of simplicity that is becoming increasingly rare in the modern credit market. When looking at the core facts of this card, the most striking element is the consistency of its interest rates across all transaction types. Most banks will lure people in with a decent purchase rate but then hike the interest significantly for cash advances or balance transfers. This card keeps things straightforward by offering a variable APR that ranges from 11.65% to 18% based on creditworthiness. This same range of 11.65% to 18% applies whether one is making a daily purchase, transferring a balance from another high-interest card, or taking out a cash advance. For those who find themselves needing to carry a balance, these figures are quite competitive, especially considering the interest-free period on purchases lasts at least 25 days after the close of the billing cycle if the balance is paid in full. From an educated perspective, this card serves as a functional tool for financial recovery and debt management rather than a flashy lifestyle accessory. The primary pain point it addresses is the overwhelming cost of debt consolidation. The fact that there is no annual fee and, more importantly, no balance transfer fee is a massive win for anyone trying to escape the cycle of high-interest debt. Most cards charge between 3 and 5% just to move money over, but here that barrier is removed entirely. Another thoughtful feature is the cap on cash advance fees. While it does charge 2% of the advance, the fee is capped at $25, which prevents the cost from spiraling out of control if someone is in a pinch and needs a larger amount of liquidity. There are also some solid security and travel perks included that add a layer of protection often missing from basic cards. The Mastercard ID Theft Protection is quite robust, offering monitoring across the surface, dark and deep web for compromised credentials. It also includes single bureau credit monitoring through TransUnion and 24-hour access to resolution specialists. On the travel side, users get 24-hour emergency card replacement through Mastercard Global Service and a 15% savings on airport meet and greet services. These are nice to have features that don't cost extra but provide a sense of security for the cardholder. However, no tool is perfect and there are specific drawbacks to consider. For anyone who spends a lot of time outside of the United States, the 1% foreign transaction fee on every purchase made in US dollars while abroad is a definite downside. There are also several administrative costs that can feel a bit nickel and dime. For example, there is a $15 rush fee for overnight delivery, a $5 fee for paying by phone, and $10 fees for statement copies or card replacements. Late payments and returned payments can also trigger fees up to $25. Furthermore, if you are a borrower in California, it is important to know that this is considered a secured credit card, meaning it is backed by personal property or shares held at the credit union. Ultimately, the RateWise Mastercard is a fantastic choice if the goal is to save money on interest or consolidate debt without being hit by upfront fees. It is perfect for those who prioritize security and affordability over earning points or miles. It is likely the wrong choice for someone who pays their balance in full every month and wants to maximize rewards, or for the frequent international traveler who wants to avoid every possible fee. In summary, this card offers a low-interest environment with a variable APR between 11.65% and 18% and the rare benefit of zero balance transfer fees. It provides strong identity theft protection and capped cash advance fees. However, the risks involve the accumulation of administrative fees, the 1% foreign transaction fee, and the potential for a $25 penalty for late payments. One must also remember that for California residents, the card requires collateral as it is a secured product.